Bella, you want to go see the birds? You want to go see the birds? Where are the birds? Let's go see the birds. Oh, Oakley wants to come too? Okay, you got to run to the birds. Let's go see the birds. Come on. Birds. Where are the birds? Let's go see the birds. Yay! Say good morning, birds. Hi, Molly. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, guys. Was that fun? Okay, stop. Say hi. Yes. Oh, look at them. Yes. Oakley, where's Shmuley? Where's Shmuley? Yes, you found it. Hi, honey. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Come on.